Hello everyone and welcome to a Muse Kits What's in the Box. That's right, a new name but same amazing content. My name is Jake and today we have some amazing stuff to go over in September's box, so let's hop down below and see what we got. As you can see, we have a slightly different look this month with the box to kind of help with the transition from the name of Smart Art to Muse Kits. But open it up and you will see your Muse Kit brochure. Open it up and you're going to see a history of where it all started with Smart Art to where it is today. Flip to the next page and you will get an introduction to this month's medium. Flip to the next page and you will see your tools that you will find in this month's box. Flip to the next page and you will find your quick start guide to give you a little bit of a starting idea on how to use these products. Flip to the next page and you will find this month's challenge prompts, as well as some pointers on how to get the best results using these products. Flip to the next page and you will find your skill challenge guide to help you get a little extra challenge using these products. And then flip to the final page and you will find everything that you need to get your Laurel points, which if you previously had Peacock points, these will have transferred over to Laurel points. And you will also find our Muse community images from July. The first thing out of here is the ampersand scratchboards. These scratchboards have a clay base that is evenly coated with India ink. You can scratch these easily with engraving tools to create a beautiful white on black art piece. These scratchboards are solid and will not bend or crack over time. Alright, the next thing out of here are the Royal and Langnickel engraving tool set. These handy tools are used to scrape away the top layer of art foil boards or scratch boards. Each tool has a different shape and size, so you can use them to make a variety of different strokes, from wide strokes to detailed lines. Each tool measures 6 inches long and are sharp, so please be careful. Out of here next are the Artist Brush Set Assorted Round 5-pack. This golden Taklon set of synthetic hair brushes are the perfect middle ground between versatility and durability. These brushes hold their shape and maintain their fine point under the toughest conditions. This set features a wooden handle covered in a black lacquer and will come in handy when you really want to finish off your artwork this month. Next, we have the 3 ampersand scratchboard inks. These are the first inks formulated specifically for scratchboards. Like other inks, they are permanent and transparent. Colors are non-staining, so you can actually recut and highlight the whites into your scratchboard after this has been applied. These will be a lot of fun to work with this month. Okay, next we have the Rainbow Scratchboard 12-pack. When you scratch the black coating, you are going to reveal a colorful rainbow pattern underneath. The set includes 12 scratchboards. These are also perfect for practicing scratching techniques, but will also create some beautiful finished artwork. And the last thing out of here are the multicolor animal scratch cards. These scratch cards hide animal designs behind the black coated surface. Simply scratch away the gray pattern with a wooden or plastic stylus and watch the drawing appear. Each package includes 4 animal designs and will be a great way to practice your scratching techniques this month. And we do have a couple bonus items in here, being the dual tip scratcher, which has a nice soft tip on one side and a very sharp metal tip on the other, as well as this little brush here to help clean up any of the dust that builds up on your scratchboards. But that is everything in our box except of course our sticker and candy, which this is actually the last Smart Art branded sticker that you're gonna get, so hold on to that one. But let's get everything out and see what we can create using the materials in this box. So with this piece, I decided to make one of my favorite animals, and that is an owl. This is a perfect thing to make since birds can be broken down with a lot of lines when it comes to their feathers. With it being black and white, I only wanted to make the eyes colored, so I ended up painting those kind of a reddish orange using the inks, and I think it turned out really cool. Now remember, when you're making your marks, to scrape with the sharp side. If it seems like you aren't getting any material off the board, try flipping the tool around and see if that helps. But I'm going to be quiet and let you all enjoy this, and I will see you all at the end with the final results. Alright everyone, that is everything in September's Muse Kit. These materials were a lot of fun to work with, but now it's your turn to see what you can create using the materials in this box. Also, don't forget about the weekly challenge prompts in your brochure, as well as the weekly videos where I try to do each challenge myself. Complete all 4 of the weekly challenge prompts and post them to social media using hashtag MuseKits, or tag us at GetMuseKits to get your 500 Laurel points. Also, if you enjoy my work, make sure to check me out over my personal channel over at Gustafson Designs. The link is going to be down in the description. But that is all for today, everyone, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!